Hello students. So can you recognize which software application is this? Yes, it is MS Word. So in this practical session we will learn how to insert tables in MS Word. So basically calendars and timetables are created using a feature called tables. And table is an arrangement of data in rows and columns. Each unit in a table is known as a cell. So let's start. So now you can see it is a blank, and let's learn how can you insert a table in MS Word. So you can see insert tab in the table group tables. So by selecting you can create a table. So you can see here 5 columns and 4 rows. So another way how you can create, like go to the insert table and the dialog box appear. Now increase the number. Here I have given 6 and 3. Can you see? The 6 column and 3 rows table has inserted. So there is various ways so you can create table now by using draw tool. Draw table, you can also create a table. So draw table, your desired table you can create. So as per as your requirements you can create your own table by using this feature. Okay, so another shortcut I will show you how you can create a easy way table. So here I have typed plus and minus, then again plus and minus. So minus and again plus, again minus and plus. Can you see? Easy way to create a table. So here the 4 way I have shown you. So by using these 4 ways you can create a table.